Roller coaster track is already on site for the new Donkey Kong Minecart coaster and the How to Train Your Dragon roller coaster. Now, new roller coaster track has shown up for what may be the most thrilling attraction at Epic Universe. Let's go over what ride this new track is for, plus updates from other areas of the park, including new footers in Universal Monsters, the first track installed for the Yoshi ride, and more in today's news update. The new coaster track is being staged at the construction site for Universal Orlando's upcoming theme park, Epic Universe, which is being built a couple miles south of their existing theme parks. This new track appears to have been manufactured by Mack Rides. We've been expecting ride track from this manufacturer for at least one major attraction at the park, a massive 2-track steel roller coaster that can be seen in concept art and plans for Epic Universe. This massive roller coaster is not part of any of the park's 4 main lands, but is instead expected to have its own ride entrance directly off of the park's central hub. The newly arrived roller coaster track and supports were first spotted by BioReconstruct on Twitter. The track pieces appear to be bold yellow, light green, and black in color. The yellow and green track will likely be used for the 2 different circuits of the large roller coaster, while the few black sections may be used within the station or maintenance areas. This may be only the first of several track deliveries, as this does not appear to be all that will be needed for such a large coaster project. Recent shipping reports from Mack Rides indicate that multiple shipments of amusement ride project components were on their way to Universal Orlando. These new track pieces are being staged near the on-site concrete plant at the corner of the Epic Universe property, seen here circled in red. This is directly adjacent to the area of the park where the hub coaster will be constructed, circled in yellow. This multi-launch coaster will feature 2 tracks, which will race side by side for most of the duration, and each are estimated to be more than 5,000 feet long. This attraction could possibly reach speeds as high as 70 miles per hour, although these details have not yet been confirmed. This attraction will be the longest and fastest roller coaster at Epic Universe. Only coaster footings have been installed for this massive new attraction so far, and mainly in the area closest to the theme park's central hub. Currently, it appears that foundations are being poured below the coaster's attraction station area, but there is still a lot of work to be done. While we do believe this newly staged track will be for the hub coaster, another roller coaster from Mack Rides is also now rumored for Epic Universe. Located within a land we believe will be themed to the Universal Classic Monsters, this attraction has been rumored to be a spinning coaster. The Universal Monsters land will feature a massive indoor ride in addition to this possible spinning roller coaster. Recent construction appears to confirm that a new roller coaster is being built, as footers have been installed within the land. What may be a station and queue structure is taking shape within the area, in addition to the footers that we first saw in our last update. This project was originally rumored to be a family spinning coaster, but Screamscape recently reported that it may be an extreme spinning coaster instead, with a ride style similar to Time Traveler at Silver Dollar City. We'll be keeping an eye on this project to see just how big this possible roller coaster gets. Work is picking up steam on the quick service restaurant locations within the Monsters area as well, including one which is rumored to be themed as the windmill from Frankenstein. It is now seeing its walls be put into place. The entry portal into the Universal Monsters land has also taken shape and now features a clear entry point for guests into the land. Over in Super Nintendo World, the very first pieces of track have been installed for the Yoshi's Adventure Family Omnimover ride. This attraction will take guests around an outdoor section of the Mushroom Kingdom. The first track pieces have been installed along the round load-unload area for the ride. Since this attraction will be continuously moving, like rides like the Haunted Mansion at Disney parks, the load area will be a constantly rotating round platform. Additional track pieces can be seen ready to be installed within the Nintendo area, but most of the remaining track is still staged in an area close by. The Mario Kart attraction building continues to grow as more of the steel structure has risen. Sections of the ride paths for this indoor 2-track dark ride are taking shape and starting to receive poured foundations. The Donkey Kong Minecart roller coaster attraction has received new coaster supports, but no new track has been installed just yet. Foundations for a water feature in front of the ride are starting to take shape now. Another roller coaster that is under construction is at the How to Train Your Dragon area, but it has not had any track installed just yet. New roller coaster supports have arrived on site and are being staged near the existing supports and track sections that arrived a few weeks ago. This track is thought to have been manufactured by Intamin. At the center of the How to Train Your Dragon land, columns have been installed for what we believe will be a restaurant themed to the Great Hall as seen in the films. Utilities work within 2 major projects in the center of the theme park have made big strides in the last couple weeks. A large fountain display, expected to contain Bellagio-style water jets, is receiving its pipework. Something that permits call a ride pit within the center of the park, overlapping its central lagoon, is also receiving pipework and conduit installation. The central lagoon is expected to not only contain a water feature, but a large ride building of some sort can be seen in permits and plans for this area of the hub. It's not known exactly what this supposed ride will be, but many have speculated that it could be an indoor carousel. The park's central hub will be made up of 3 separate rings, which we have lovingly referred to as the snowman design. The fountain is at the top, the possible ride and lagoon is in the center, and another water feature with a large dining location will be at the bottom, located closest to the park's entrance. This 3rd ring at the bottom is just now starting to take shape. The future hotel site at the back of the park continues to be carved out. This large hotel, which will be connected to the theme park, is expected to begin major construction by the end of next month. The massive attraction within the Wizarding World land continues to grow with every update. This ride is rumored to take place within the British Ministry of Magic. Work is starting to pick up around other areas of this new Wizarding World land as well, which will include shopping and dining locations. The entry portal into the Wizarding World can now be spotted. Every land will have 1 entry portal in and out, and after entering this portal into the land, it is expected that guests will enter the main plaza through an archway leading to Wizarding Paris. The footprint for this arch has been constructed. That's all for this update. Be sure to check out the Epic Universe playlist and subscribe for more news about this new theme park. And consider joining our Patreon for even more details, as well as exclusive podcasts and more. Patreon.com/themeparkstop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.